Children aren't born knowing how to regulate their emotions any more than they're born knowing how to tie their shoes. Regulation is a skill, so let's teach it. My name is Suzanne Tucker, and I'm the founder of Generation Mindful. I've been a physical therapist and a parent educator for 25 years, and what I'm passionate about is creating connection. The Time In Toolkit is everything you need to move away from timeouts and behavior management charts to using time-ins or positive reinforcement in your home or classroom. As both a mom and a parent educator, I know what it is to feel not enough, and I want to create a product that helps parents and children learn social and emotional skills free from guilt, free from shame. My mission is to help each person feel seen, feel connected, feel supported, and to feel enough. Because we are enough today, right now, just the way we are.
I think positive parenting has helped me to focus more on the emotions behind their behavior instead of just the behavior. Because that's hard when you're little, to regulate your emotions.
And drink water.
Me too.
You know, if I can understand how they're feeling and just acknowledging that they're having those feelings sometimes is all they need. You know what I mean? And then they're back to normal. When I asked him, from what does it feel like when you're mad? I don't know. It's hard to describe, you know. You know, nobody tells you how to be a parent. You know, you just kind of do it. So understanding some of this kind of emotional stuff, it just helps me in my everyday. Like, why wouldn't I want to, you know, have some help?
We are Gen M, and together we're bringing positive tools, connection, mindfulness, and play to children, families, and classrooms all over the world. Thank you for your support.